Papanoorin natin ang naging casting reel video ni Atisa Manalo for MEPH 2025 in partnership with Zonrock's Color Safe.
During my competition in Vietnam, there was an accident that happened that resulted to injury on my left foot. I feel like I was unfairly judged because people assumed that I was making reasons up to not attend events. And I just remember my purpose of being there, and I was able to do it even with a broken foot.
I like it talaga now na si Atisa sa mga challenges, she's like, less is more. Like yung makeup niya, parang, alam mo yun, no makeup look, yung mga ganun lang.
Oo.
Tapos nag-focus lang talaga sa eye makeup.
Oo.
Kumbaga, hindi siya na-overdo unlike last year. So, kudos sa kanyang makeup artist, ganyan. So, kung sino man ang nag-isip niyan, nakakatuwa. Diba?
Oo. Parang it's kumbaga 360 shift from kung ano yung look niya nung nakaraang taon. And we're eating it because she's
Kinakain
serving.
mo na.
She's serving, 'di ba? Na other side of her, itong freshness and pureness nung
And
ganda lang.
nakakatuwa lang din talaga na isa siya sa, kung hindi man siya lang, isa siya sa mga queens na hindi pinaganda ng makeup. Parang natural na ganda lang.
Oo.
Parang ganon. Regarding naman dun sa kanyang experience, hindi naman lingid sa ating kaalaman. Wow. Na yun nga, yung dahil dun sa accident, na issue siya na parang hindi siya nag-attend ng events. Parang she's making excuses to be part of some events. It's common to us to judge people din na gano'n, di ba? Na parang, hindi siya pumunta sa gantong celebration ng family gathering natin. Parang iniiwasan niya yung gathering. Pero siguro hindi natin alam na, di ba kanya-kanya kasi tayong mga experiences na meron tayong mga part ng life natin na hindi na natin kailangan i-broadcast.
Yes.
May mga important, kumbaga, events na kailangan nating i-focus on. So, kailangan lang talaga nating maging open-minded and understanding and don't misjudge other people.
Oo. Sa akin, she gained a lot of my respect kasi she became a stronger, kumbaga, idol or woman, symbol, ganyan. Kasi when you're a darling of the crowd, palaging yung mga tao, yung Pinoy ay humihingi ng maraming mga, kunwari, para kang public servant na, kailangan ganito ka, kailangan ganito yung pinapakita mo, kailangan 100% ka, na parang nakakalimutan nila na tao